we are going to Thank you. The camera.
Hi guys.
Okay, show us your outfit.
Okay, I'm wearing what am I wearing?
I don't know.
I'm wearing all black and I got a Broken Planet hoodie.
Oh, girl. Don't play with it.
Do you wanna do a picture?
Yeah, sure.
Shoes from New Balance, pants from TikTok shop, cardigan from Shein.
We love you. Don't play with it. Yeah.
Take out, right?
Yeah, take out. We're getting breakfast from Mikey before we get on the bus to London. Face card never
Yeah, I'll
declines.
pay for my food and my face card.
Yeah. Why are you putting sugar in your toffee latte, bro?
Hey guys, sorry for not posting consistently, but this video marks a new era of me being consistent. And for the first video, I'm going to London with my bestie. Hope you stay until the end of the video. Bye. Bro, why do London buses sound like this? Is this who you are, London?
We don't got this in Oxford, bro. We don't got this in Oxford. We don't got this in Oxford.
How much money they make here, but I might as well just do myself my own train station.
Wait,
Guys,
you wanna get?
I might do myself my own train station because we'll be making money here. and I think it's easy just like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hard being a content creator. It's hard being a content creator, bro. Just listen to train, let's go to the back. Let's go to the back. The back is the best. London Bridge Station. Love that. We're in London Bridge, guys. See it, say it.
I love this weather.
See it, say it. So I just love the crispiness of this weather. Guys, I almost lost this girl. Look at her. Walking, strutting like she's a boss. And I almost lost her. I would have been here. Wow, your mom would have actually killed me. What do you go back to Whitney and I'm not with you? I'll actually get yeeted out of this world. You're like, yeet? Batman camera skills here, bruv. Myself. Guys, do you know what the funniest thing is? Someone keeps calling that. Oh, we went to the overground. Huh? What the hell? We're supposed to go to the underground. Let's go break down. Guys, we're back to London Bridge Station and we're waiting for our train to Canary Wharf. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so full and so hard and so I can't breathe. What do you mean breathe?
3 stops.
Yeah, we're like king.
Better not be rain. I'd rather be outside than being rained on.
Bye.
You like a motor, no?
Probably. Don't know.
I just think it's music.
It's a what music? Oh, over there. Oh, there is. Okay. Salma, it's over there. Bro, look at how clear the water is. It's over there, that side. Hey. most unserious people ever. It's like a stairs. Ooh, it's cute. Damn, she's leaving me. Guys, we've actually left Canary Wharf because it's dead. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's just dead. It's full of financial people buildings.
At this point, we were stuck in the underground with no air to breathe. This girl is busy playing games. And this is the person telling us that the train before us was like stuck and people had to like get off it. It was so scary, like we were cramped up in there and running out of air to breathe. We're running out of air and just stuck there, not moving, and it was so hot. Kids were crying, old people were... Girl, it was a scary time. We almost died. And then finally we moved off. Like, thank God, I ain't never going back to London again.
I might leave, guys. We made it to Oxford Street after being trapped in that underground for like 30 minutes. I was like, it's like so high. Why is it? I wanted. Guys, we just ate and I'm so full right now. I'm happy. I'm happy to be in Paris. Why do I kind of look cute? Oh my gosh.
They probably have like the Rihanna underneath the
Guys, we're literally walking down in Soho because we know there's nice cars here. But I'm just seeing Benz. It's like,
oh, they look like basic cars.
I see Benz all the time.
They look like everything.
So it's like something that's like shocking me. I need cars that shock me. And I'm like, I do see a Porsche, but it's just a Porsche.
Yeah.
Exactly. Guys, we're just walking down. We're looking for a store for Salma to take fit pictures so that she can post on her Instagram.
Guys, my Instagram gotta eat.
Yeah, you gotta eat first.
They have to find inspiration because
yeah, they do need you. They do need you.
Pinterest board, so
Yeah. Oh yeah, you know.
Feed the people. We gotta feed the kids. Amazing videos is crazy.
Is it a amazing video?
It's up there, I reckon.
Not on the same board, but it's the color scheme.
No, the color scheme is eating. I love that.
I'm saying though, like.
We're now in Chinatown. I just met you. Oh. Yeah, he's singing. His nose will not belong in here. Guys, we literally walked like 15 minutes to get a shop to get some fit pictures. So please check out our Instagrams down below.
Come on, bro, can you move? I need to take my phone.
We're literally waiting for the bus now.
We almost died in that subway.
We're not going down the ground.
I ain't never going back that.
Hell nah, bro. Hell nah. London is so iconic. Guys, we're in the bus to the bus station. Get our bus. And yeah, I'm so tired. But this was a success though. Did you say that?
Except Canary, bro.
From Canary Wharf was a letdown. It was a letdown, very much so. But yeah.
I ain't never going back there. Never in my life. I think I'm going to catch me.
How was your experience in the underground?
I'm gonna give it like a 5. So would have made it better.
I'm gonna give it a 2. Why didn't we go to Wingstop?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Nah, but the queue. The guy was like,
I think if we went earlier, it would be fine. But I don't know.
you better watch this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm saying shit me. No, I love London. London is just a different species.
No, this is way too much. Like,
It's just like too much going on everywhere. Like there's shops everywhere. There's
people who don't know where they're going. The people who are being annoying. The people you just want to punch in the face. Don't be canceling when they come.
Did we?
4 minutes, come on.
4 minutes until the bus comes, and then we go home to Oxford, to our home, to our county, to our shire.
Oh my days.
Shire. To make the tax.
All you do is here is eat and go home.
And shop and spend money.
And then I'm sorry. Let me just hype it up because that's the most stores than any others. And Birmingham.
Would you rather be in London or Birmingham? Comment down below, guys. Because personally, London is where I'm at, bro. Birmingham, you gotta stay safe in there. You gotta stay safe in Birmingham.
We're in the bus now, and we sit at the back. My sister's not set up for this, but here we are. Harriet Tubman will be so proud. Yeah. This girl. If I were to count how many times she mentioned Joe today, I would have. Oh. Damn, okay. Bye. Goodbye to London. Goodbye, London. Goodbye, cars. Goodbye, houses. Goodbye, everything. Going home, final bus. Let's get it started. Yeah.
When I first came to Oxford, this is the